This changed everything. The difference engine looked like a giant clock. It stood 3 feet tall. Workers built it from iron and brass. Gears of different sizes filled its frame. Each gear turned another gear in a chain. Springs held the motion steady. The engine had a hand crank handle. Turning the handle moved the gears. The gears counted numbers step by step. The machine printed tables of numbers. It helped engineers avoid mistakes. It used no electricity. It ran only on human power. The shape of the engine matched a Victorian mantel clock. The front had a glass panel. The panel showed gears spin. Nobody believed it could replace a calculator. Yet the machine reached 1,000 calculations per hour. The design used a system of columns and rows. Each column represented a digit. When a gear reached its limit, it pushed the next gear. This simple rule made the engine add correctly. The engine also had a printing head. The head pressed ink onto paper. The paper rolled out in neat rows. Engineers could see the result instantly. Here is why it matters. The engine proved machines can think like people. It inspired later computers that used electricity. It also showed how art can shape technology. The engine's look is pure Victorian. Polished brass glints in soft light. Leather straps and copper pipes add charm. The whole machine feels alive. Now imagine the engine in a modern office. It could replace a laptop. Workers would turn a crank instead of typing. The sound of gears would fill the room. The rhythmic clicks would keep focus. The engine would remind us that simple parts can build complex ideas. It links past craft with present data. Even the smallest detail tells a story. The brass knobs are engraved with tiny numbers. The wooden base smells of oil and pine. The device hums like an old clock tower when turned fast. Some people say the engine can even run simple games. A player moves a lever to play a code-breaking puzzle. This shows that fun can live in gears as well. The difference engine reminds us that modern tech started with hands and metal. It teaches us to respect the craft behind every screen. By watching its gears spin, we can imagine a future. Machines and art grow together.